Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ajrul Arham. I'm from TS21B. Here I will present foundation construction of site and slope on the structure under the house simple and floor. Foundation construction of site and slope and the structure under the house simple and floor. Number 1. Abstract. Number 2. Introduction. Number 3. Research purposes. Number 4. Load analysis and calculation. Number 5. Conclusion. Abstract. The foundation is the lower part of the structure of the house that takes time to work with, is, is relatively long. Today's construction work requires good and fast implementation, especially in foundation work. Therefore, in overcoming it, it is necessary to find a solution that frees and best research focus on substructure, collector foundation, and how relation on the slope or connection beam between the thread foundation, and slope is a common that must be properly stored and must be stable. The component is made with wide open side printing system. The purpose of this study is to obtain structural relationship between components to be simple and environmentally friendly. Later, the result of research on the system of interrelationship components using a precast system can achieve a maximum practical load of up to 2 tons meter per second. Introduction. With the development of today, technology very advanced where you can find some ready-made precast construction materials such as precast floor and wire panel that make it easier workmanship and save processing time the longer the cost of the craftsman the more expensive it is. Expect with the existence of direct material, so it is expected to reduce the cost of the craftsman by saving work time, so that there are many more construction materials that can be made more instantaneous if more studies are carried on. In its basic work of foundation work, the research conducts research on it, intended so that the result of the research can be used for the advancement of building material technology in foundation work. The foundation is vital part in the process of building a house or building construction. Order to find out more the research condition further research on the foundation for simple one-story house. The participants really need to be considered are the loads that are received by the tree foundation, the staying of the original soil, the connection between the pedestal and the column and slope. Therefore, researcher conduct research and calculate the load that occur and also the connection between the pedestal with columns and slope. With its hope that the result of this and the advancement of material technology construction building, so that it can simply and speed up the construction of house building simple and full style. Research purpose, foundation and slope connection. Number 2, house plan and building loads. Number 3, foundation design and concrete quality. Research purpose, simple and story house are still in great demand by the public today. This is because relatively cheaper construction and maintenance costs than the population growth in Sukabumi is very growing rapid according to the population data of the Population and Civil Registry Office of the City of Surabaya. The number of population in Sukabumi in 2011 has risen 3024 resident in the world of construction. More and more advanced where my material have been found finished construction. Putri, the main concrete technology is available only for front superstructure such as one beam plates and slabs, so that in this restrict the manufacture of ready-made concrete material for the structure is carried out under a one-story residential house, which consists of the three foundation and slope beam to combine component. This requires a special foundation design study. I am introducing the connection of the three foundation and the slope which will be precast so that the result can be done in a fabrication manner so that it can safety when foundation work is being installed failed a simple and story has in great demand by on the people of Sukabumi until now. Course it is because the purpose cost is relatively affordable. Foundation and slope connection design. The three foundation consists of two parts, namely the bottom of the concrete slab and the top of the short column. The relationship between short column with pushed slab. Monolith colored thread foundation, grid foundation connection designed with the foundation slope so that the two components can become a single unit. Simple system today be related or other simply to purpose of the hull is to hold the slope inform shifting from the foundation footprinting. Footprint several factors that affect the connection include floor plans and building load factor, soil, environment, tree foundation design, and concrete quality. Foundation and slope connection design. House number two, house plan and building lots. The first step is to find the collection of a simple and story house accompanied by a picture of the house organizational plan. The resident is in West Camp with figures 1A and 1B. The lot data user is in accordance with the regulation Indonesian building holding. Number three, trade foundation and concrete quality. The first step is to find the location of a simple and story house, accompanied by a picture of the house organization plan. The resident is in West Kabumi, figure 1A and 1B. The loading data used is in accordance with the regulation Indonesian building loading. Load analysis and calculation. After getting a floor plan, the host then calculates how much load occurs on the column. The method used is the tributary area, which is looking for the columns area that has accommodated the largest load. Result the calculation to get the load for columns. The roof loads consistent of amount after the weight of the wooden truss comfort 18 kg meter persegi. Keramatic tile for 5 kilogram pada persegi population load 100 kilogram itu total load received by one column of loading and columns is 5 7 kali 1 meter 0,15 kali 3 0,0675 meter per kubik kali 2,4 tons meter kubik sama dengan 0,6162 tons. The load R is about 10 by 2 5 the 15 kali 2 tambah 75 sama dengan 15 meter persegi. The calculation result on dan kolom is 0,73 kali 15 ton. Vertical circular elements. Vertical circular elements are multi-line in carrying axial forces and 3/4. Distinguish between structures that are using concrete with seal. The dimension of the reinforced concrete structure column are 15 kali 15 cm and all axial forces are bound by the concrete test result. Concrete cut in the left quality of the concrete Objects include car. Satu-satunya of the column load is known and the allowed comprehensive stress can be calculated and the column dimension can be calculated by using the formula. Vertical to the element, the magnitude of the allowed compressive stress of concrete is 0, typically 155 kilograms centimeter per second, which is equal to 15 kilogram after bending. The reaction load that consists the column, the 10 hour compressive stress of the concrete is approximately using table 1. Then the next step into designing the model and calculate the torque states hole or hole between connection connects the three foundation with the slope beam. Figure 2 while figure 3 shows the time of on the casting of the frame foundation for prototype. Conclusion: the result of the conclusion and analysis became based on the allowed compressive stress of the reinforced concrete of the single holes target used for the entry of the slope beam is the maximum as following is in 6 centimeter high, 15 centimeter and width, uh, 18. Figure 4. Painting 3 foundation get a quality of Kasat 551 column can receive and load vertical load of 3 tons and a maximum horizontal load of 300 kg with the presence of 3 foundation fabrication precast. It is the hope that it can optimize cost and cost contribution team in the pilot. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.